Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, welcome. My name is Mimi, and if you are returning, hey girl, what's going on? So today's video, I'm super excited because I have made the decision to finally get aligners for my teeth. And I really just want to, take you guys along this journey with me and also help anybody that's interested in getting aligners and what you should expect along the way. There are some things that you need to do on your end before you go ahead and make the decision to go through these type of services that offer aligners. First and foremost, before you go ahead and decide to acquire aligners, you need to make sure you go ahead and get some type of dental exam, meaning you go for your yearly cleaning when they do your checkups and your x-rays and everything like that to make sure your teeth are healthy and in good condition. Secondly, what you need to do is to make sure you qualify for aligners. I knew I qualified for aligners through a regular dentist and orthodontist. I inquired about getting aligners for my teeth, and when I had my exam, they did let me know I was a candidate. So I really just want to give you guys the real when you're going into something like this. Make sure you do diligence. I decided to go with Candid. The reason I decided to go with Candid is because compared to other providers that offer this same service as Candid, what I did, I read a lot of reviews, I watched videos, I called and inquired and asked questions prior to me making this decision. And this is actually the at-home kit that I initially ordered over 6-7 months ago. So basically with the at-home kit, this is when you take your impressions on your own. As you can see, mine is brand new. I never used it. I actually end up going into an office. So it does come with the putties that you're going to need to create your impressions, but you're going to get a cheek retractor. This is going to be used to hold your cheek open, so when you take pictures at home, you're able to get a clear view of your teeth. You're also going to get a pre-postage box for you to send your impressions back to them in. It comes with 5 trays. So what you're going to do, you make the putty, you stick it into the tray, and you bite down as far as you can without breaking holes into the putties. With this being said, I know you guys are wondering, like, well, why do you have a brand new kit? That's because I went into the office. I would just rather go in and see someone and let them handle it. It was just too much for me, and I really just wanted to make sure I got it right the first time around. Instead of doing the putty, they take a device and they put it in your mouth where they take a 3D picture of your teeth and it starts to appear on the screen. So as far as my experience in the office, let this be known, the people that were servicing me in the office were not necessarily people that went to dental school or even went to school to be dental assistants. They were only taught how to handle the equipment in store and answer basic questions. They really can't give you anything concerning dental health. That's it. Their job literally stops at handling the equipment, making sure they get your scans, making sure they get all the information from you as far as like payment options and things like that. And that's just what I experienced. I don't know if that's like that at every single location where they do not have someone that went to dental school or have a dental assistant on hand that decided to take that type of job, but I'm just literally telling you how it went down for me. The people in the office though, they were super nice. All right, so let's talk about payment. So you do have several payment options. Your first payment option is to pay the full balance outright, completely out of pocket. The second payment option is you can get onto a payment plan. You have to put down a certain amount of the total, and then from then on out, they put you on a payment plan where monthly payments will come out of your account. And then the third option is to go through your insurance. So if your insurance covers aligners, your insurance can cover a certain amount, and then of course you'll have to pay the remaining balance, which can again be done through payment plan or out of pocket. So after everything is said and done, you have submitted your scans or your impressions, you have set up your payment plan and everything, and now once your scans are sent off, the dentist has to approve your scans or your imagery. So once you're approved, they're going to send you a link showing you a 3D model of how your teeth are now, and then throughout the process of you using your aligners, how your results should possibly end up. So once you review this diagram, you have to approve the diagram of what you saw, saying, hey, okay, cool, this is where we started, okay, cool, and this is how we're going to end, okay, cool, I like what I see, let's do it. So you're going to approve your dental plan, and once you approve a dental plan, your aligners are going to go into production. Your aligners are supposed to take 2 to 3 weeks to produce, and then they're going to send you a package, which is what I have here, with your aligners and everything else that you need throughout this entire process. One more thing that's very essential while you're straightening your teeth, make sure you are using some type of whitening product. So I use the Crest 2-step whitening system. The first one is a gum detoxifying. This one helps with neutralizing plaque and bacteria. And then the second step is a gel whitener, and this is going to help polish and whiten your teeth. Literally, using this after a few days, you're going to notice your teeth are a lot more whiter. So what I will say, when you feel your teeth getting sensitive, you can skip a few days until your teeth stop being sensitive and then continue the process. Just to give you guys a quick way of using this, you're gonna brush your teeth for 1 minute with this product, and then you're gonna brush your teeth for 1 minute with the next product. All right, so here's the box that I received today with everything that I need. All right, so when you open up the box, it says, let's get things straight. That's super cute, okay, because we on that. First in here is a tell your friends card. If you guys are interested in getting some aligners through Candid after you see this video, I'm gonna include the link right here in the video or in the description box. All right, so the next thing I have here is it says first things first. It says, before you start your treatment, log into portal.candidco.com for instructions. So this is the box that my aligners are going to come in, and it's going to have all of your aligners that you're going to be using throughout this entire process. Now, some people do have to go up to the 24th step, and others will stop at other numbers. Now for me, I only have 16 steps. Obviously, I'm going to grab from step 1. Step 1 is totally closed step. I'm gonna put this on with you guys. So then you have your whitener in here. It's gonna help whiten your teeth, freshen your breath, and clean your aligners. This is a storage case for your aligners when you're not wearing them. So when you have to eat, drink, brush your teeth, you're gonna put them in here so they'll be nice and safe. So in here, you're also gonna get a guide. Then you're gonna get a dental appliance remover. Looks like this. So these are little chew things in here, so when you put your aligners in, you're gonna bite down in it. Bite down with these guys to make sure the aligners are fully secure and snug on your teeth. This contains your cheek retractor, and this is gonna be necessary for when you have to take your pictures to submit on the Candid app so they can monitor your process. So next thing you're gonna get in here is your scan box, and this is what you're gonna use to help take your pictures. You're gonna get a mesh bag to protect it. You're gonna get instructions on your scanner. All right, so this is the actual scanner that comes in the box. You're gonna unbutton it from the top, pull it down, turn your camera inward. All right, so I took the case off my phone so it could fit correctly. Now, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it, but now my 3 lenses are coming straight through this box in the center. So when I take my pictures, he's gonna have a nice, clear picture of my teeth. The person that approved my treatment plan was Dr. Lynn Hurst, and they said my entire treatment plan should take an estimated amount of 8 months. If I researched correctly, I think Dr. Lynn Hurst is the founder of Candid Co. I was really shocked to see that he worked on my plan. I don't know if he will personally be overseeing my case himself, or is like, you know, a dental assistant or some other dentist is overseeing my case, but that's the name that's on my case. So I thought that was interesting. So you're also going to need the Candid app. This is the app that you're going to use to create your profile and submit your pictures. So I've already created my profile and everything. I put a cute little picture up there of myself so they can know who your girl is. And then you're going to have on the home screen, it's going to say current aligner number, which is number 1. It just helps you keep you on track, and it's also going to offer a reminder. So when it's time to switch out of your aligners, it's going to send you a notification to your phone. Let's do this. Let's put my aligners in. So I'm going to go ahead and open up step 1, and it has step 1 in black, so you know you're on your right step. All right, so here are the aligners. Okay. And then I'm gonna also open the chewables, so when I put these on, I can bite down on it. This is what the chew things look like. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse these off really quickly before I put these in my mouth. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. All right, so this is the top ones. Gonna go ahead. Oh my gosh, these hurt. Oh my god, that hurts. Okay. Perfectly. Damn, now I'm talking with a list, but that's until I get used to them. Like, you're gonna feel that initial shock of pain, because your teeth are gonna be basically forced to shift into a different position. One thing I will say, right now, I don't feel like anything's cutting into my gums. I don't feel like my tongue is, you know, obstructed or anything, so they're pretty comfortable for now. This thing is going to be used for basically leveraging them and popping them out of your mouth when you need to eat food. Okay, so just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to pop them out. Ooh, my teeth are throbbing. So the top was way easier to pop out than the bottom, like that bottom. All right guys, so that is basically all the information that I could think of right now as far as dealing with Candid code. If you guys have any further questions that I may not have answered in this video, please feel free to comment below. I will be taking you guys along with me through this 8-month journey, so I'm going to do my best to make sure I give you guys as many useful updates as possible. I'm also going to create a playlist only consisting of the Candid code videos from here on out. Yeah, you guys, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.